video I am going to show you how to get all the file names from a directory. Okay, in UiPath we don't have any direct activity for reading all the file names. So what we have to do is get a sequence activity and create a variable file list. Okay, because it is going to be a list of file names. So system.string, this data type you have to choose. Suppose it is not available in your system, then choose this and choose this one. Okay, that's all. We created a list variable and we are going to assign this file list. We are going to read a directory and get all the file names and going to assign the file put all the file names into the list. I am going to read this videos folder. It has 10 items, file names, that is all the video files. So copy this path for testing purpose and come to here, go to here, assign this system dot io dot directory dot get files. Okay, paste the path of this directory here. That's all. Now this command will read all the file names and all the file names going to assign to this list. Okay, let's we print all the names for each. Okay, take the for each activity. Okay, here file list, we are going to iterate the file list and take message box. Okay, I'm going to print the file name item.toString. So this will print all the 10 file names. Let's execute this. Okay, see, first file name is displayed. See, we can compare with this. Okay, part 2 invoke method in UiPath 2 2 3 4 5. That's all. It's list out all the file names. Suppose if we want to search a particular file extension, suppose if we want to search list out only the text file which is available in this folder, then you have to give the file extension here, star.txt. txt is a text file extension. Right now, for in this case, we don't have any text file in this, so UiPath not going to return any names. See this, execution completed, there is no file names. This is useful. Suppose if you want to read in our project, we have to get all the PDF file names and then we have to read it, right? Sometime in this situation we can use like this. Thank you for watching this.